Got him. Oh, I got a fish. What's up, guys? We're at the American River in California right now, and we're going to be going for some trout. I'm also going to practice fly fishing today. Okay, we're going to have to go up on that bridge, I can already tell. I'm throwing this fly today. It's kind of the only good fly that I have right now because I can't find my box of other flies. Hopefully I'll be able to figure out where I left those. All right, I'm gonna leave my stuff here. New spot over here. We're gonna go check out under this bridge and stuff. It doesn't say no fishing. Are you guys fishing?
Yeah.
Catch anything?
I see a couple trout, but I haven't caught anything.
You see trout here?
Yeah, I've caught them here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they like to hang out along the bridge, like sashay along the bridge, and we just saw one jump out there.
Oh, nice. I got this. You think this will work?
Yeah, I don't see why that
Little
wouldn't
tube.
work.
Yeah. You mind if I fish next to you?
Sure, my friend.
Thank you.
That looks really cool in the water. Oh, see, he just surfaced right there.
Oh, I saw that.
Oh, I got him. Oh, he just hit it.
Oh.
I just saw a ripple. I almost had him.
Oh, I had a bite. Treat. Oh, I got a fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
I was just letting it sit there.
There you go. They like it.
Yeah, this was the little tube. This is what I got. Let me see what you got.
Got
Here. Maybe try one of these. I think black could be the most natural presentation. Maybe try a black and green. This looks like it should work pretty well.
Oh yeah, dude.
You got one? Yeah. Get him in. Was that the one? Was that the bait I gave you?
Yeah.
I knew it would work.
Good job, dude.
No problem. Good job to you.
Fishing in Isaac, man.
Yeah. Yo. Oh, I just found one of these. Oh, we should definitely tie one of those on. That'll do good. All right, guys, I have an interesting idea. I'm gonna use this as a weight. I'm gonna cut to what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be pretty cool. All right, this is what we got here. So we got this. Looks good, right? And then right on the bottom, we got this spoon with the swivel.
I'll yell at him. I don't yell at many.
Oh. Got him. Yeah. Got him. Bro, there's some people coming. This might not be good. Hold on. Wait, I know who that is. Never mind, they're chill. What's going on out here, bro? What's up? Making a YouTube video right now. Yeah, I caught 2 trout.
2 trout? What are you using?
I'm using little trout tubes. And I was fly fishing.
My goal, we have like 30.
All right. This is what I gave him one of these. I have live worms. I might. Oh.
Nice, man. Big one.
This one feels pretty nice. This might be the best one of the day. What is that? That's not terrible. Not the biggest one of the day.
Did you swallow it?
Nope.
No, I didn't.
He's a chunky one. Actually, this is the best one of the day, I'd say.
Rainbow? Okay.
Looks like a nice rainbow. Chill.
Man, I think my stomach is chunky.